Welcome aboard the beautiful 1989 Ocean Yachts 53 Motor Yacht Ocean Odyssey, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Ocean Yacht 53 Motor Yacht is a timeless blend of performance, comfort, and classic design. Built by Ocean Yachts, a brand known for its sport fishing heritage, this model marked a shift towards luxury cruising, offering a spacious double-deck layout ideal for extended stays or entertaining. At 53 feet in length with a 17-foot beam, this yacht boasts a sleek, low-slung silhouette. The modified V-hull delivers a smooth ride with wide side decks and high railings, ensuring safe passages forward. The Flybridge is integrated smoothly into the design, with a forward helm with wraparound seating, while the aft deck is semi-enclosed, offering protection without compromising visibility. Large Salon windows and curved side glass enhance the yacht's visual appeal and flood the interior with natural light. The integrated swim platform is molded into the hull and extends the full beam of the yacht. It's low to the water, making it ideal for boarding from a tender, swimming, or diving, and handling lines and fenders. Wide side decks with high stainless steel railings provide safe and easy access to the bow. At the bow, you'll find a robust ground tackle setup, including a heavy-duty ideal windlass and anchor. The foredeck offers space for sunbathing or line handling, with non-skid surfaces and secure handholds throughout. The exterior of this Ocean Yacht 53 is exceptionally well maintained, and that's immediately evident in the condition of the beautifully varnished teak handrails, gleaming with deep, mirror-like finish that reflects the care and craftsmanship invested in this vessel. Moving inside, the galley is located forward of the Salon and is fully equipped for extended cruising. You'll find a full-size refrigerator, electric 4-burner stove, microwave, and deep stainless steel sink, all surrounded by ample cabinetry and countertop space. The lower helm is fully equipped for confident navigation and control. It features a Garmin chart plotter, autopilot, depth gauge, VHF radio, and bow thruster controls, all within easy reach. Additionally, all engine instruments and controls are clearly visible and intuitively laid out, making this helm both functional and comfortable for extended cruising or docking maneuvers. Accessed by a curved staircase, the Flybridge is a standout feature. After the Flybridge is a boat deck, perfect for storing tender or additional gear. With a davit system and non-skid decking, it's a both functional and secure space. The Flybridge is a true highlight. Expansive seating wraps around the helm, offering space for guests to relax while underway. The upper helm provides commanding views and full controls, making this the preferred station for cruising. Back inside, the salon is bright and inviting. Large windows flood the space with natural light, while plush seating and built-in entertainment center make it the ideal place for relaxing or entertaining. The open layout flows seamlessly from galley to helm. Located at the aft end of the saloon, the spacious seating area invites guests to relax and comfort, centered around a beautifully varnished teak table that adds warmth and elegance. Forward of the lounge, a formal dining table enhances the luxurious ambience of the interior. Heading below, the aft section houses the luxurious master stateroom. Featuring a king-size walk-around berth, generous storage, dresser, and a private head, it's a private retreat for the owners. The master cabin head includes a marine toilet, a molded sink with vanity, and a fully enclosed shower with bathtub, and offers both functionality and comfort. Forward of the master stateroom is a guest cabin with double bed and ample storage. Conveniently located off the passageway is a well-appointed head with a marine toilet, a molded sink and vanity, and an enclosed shower, offering both functionality and comfort for guests and crew alike. Forward, you'll find two additional guest cabins, each with its own head. These staterooms offer comfortable accommodations for family or guests, with thoughtful storage and ventilation throughout. At the bow, the forward stateroom offers a bright and comfortable retreat for guests. It features a centerline berth with built-in storage, overhead lighting, and opening ports for natural ventilation. The space is thoughtfully designed for extended stays, with hanging lockers and cabinetry that maximizes functionality without sacrificing comfort. Just off the stateroom is a head access from the cabin or passageway. It includes a marine toilet and molded sink with vanity. From the passageway, a dedicated stairwell leads down to a crew quarters, tucked away for privacy and practicality. The crew cabin is located below the forward stateroom and features twin bunks, storage lockers, and reading lights. Adjacent to the crew cabin is a separate head with toilet and sink. Additionally, there's a compact laundry area equipped with washer and dryer. This setup ensures the crew has everything they need for extended time on board. The engine room is easily accessed. Powered by twin Detroit diesel engines, this yacht cruises comfortably at 20 to 24 knots. The engine space is well organized, with standing headroom and easy access for maintenance. The large engine room not only provides easy access to the main engines, but also allows for easy servicing of the generator, making routine maintenance and inspections straightforward and efficient. The 1989 Ocean Yachts 53 motor yacht is a proven performer, with the space, comfort, and capability to take you wherever your cruising dreams lead. To book your appointment to view this 1989 Ocean Yachts 53 motor yacht, contact Little Yacht Sales.